would you define a team? How do we know if we are a team? And the most important one, why should we care? Hello, my name is carme.salvador. I'm specialized in sustainable high-performance teams, and in this video I'm going to share the 5 elements you need to have a sustainable high-performance team. First of all, let's clarify what a team is. A team is a group of interdependent people with a common goal. Think about the Beatles, for example. They were 4 musicians, and what they offered the world as the Beatles was much more than the sum of them as individuals. That's the power of a great team. A high-performance team has 2 natural outcomes: productivity and well-being. You will be more productive and happier. The ideas will flow, the feeling of belonging will allow you to take more risks and get more results. To have a high-performance team takes effort, time and energy. However, it's worth the investment. Let's use a house as a metaphor. Let's explore the 5 elements you'll need to be a high-performance team. Everything stands on the foundations of the house, then 3 floors and the roof. The foundation has the fundamentals of the team. We look at our team as a whole system. What does our team need? Where is our team going? What are the strengths and the weaknesses of our team? We trust that the team has a natural tendency to grow and evolve. On the first floor, we have relationship intelligence. The team learns how to manage change by accepting it as something normal. In relationship intelligence, there are skills and tools to navigate through change. The process of change is going to affect the emotional flow of the team. Is the team inspired? Worried? Afraid? Relationship geography is on the second floor. Here, diversity is taken to be an asset rather than a threat. It's great that we are so different. Roles and functions will be clarified in order to serve the team. Relationship geography is very important to prevent and deal with conflict. On the third floor, you can find relationship path. Teams are generative. They create things. They generate results. This dimension is about how to be conscious and intentional of what we create together, and it explores how expectations, dreams and desires are impacting the team, for the good and for the bad. Then the roof of the house holds relationship integration, which involves moving freely between the other elements as needed. A new team needs to build from the foundation up, clarifying and solidifying each stage. If the team is mature, an initial assessment will be needed to assess the strengths and the weaknesses of the team. Based on the assessment and where we need to take the team, we are going to design a plan of team coaching. Now I have a question for you. How would you define a team with only 3 words? And I'd love to hear your comments. Feel free to leave them below. In the description of the video, you can find information of 4-hour workshop on basic team coaching skills for managers. And if you are thinking about becoming a systems coach, you'll find a link to CRR, Center for Right Relationship. The school is specialized worldwide in training team coaching. Have a great day and see you soon.